Thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is Read Aloud on this Android tablet. To get to the Read Aloud accessibility feature on your Android tablet, you will first have to go to your settings icon. For me, my settings icon is on the bottom left of my screen, but for you it might be somewhere else. Once you have located the settings icon, you need to press on it by tapping on it once with your finger. Good job. Now we're at the settings menu. To find the accessibility features, you will have to scroll down until you see an option that says accessibility. Here it is, accessibility. Press on the accessibility option to confirm your selection. Awesome. Now that we're at the accessibility menu, we're going to press on the screen reader option. It should be at the top of your screen. To turn on Voice Assistant, click on the Voice Assistant option. A pop-up will appear asking for your permission to allow Voice Assistant to view and control your screen and to view and perform actions. If you give it the permission, press the Allow button on the bottom of the pop-up window and then double tap on the Allow button after selecting it to confirm your selection.
Assistant on. Reader.
Voice Assistant should speak out loud when you click on things from here on out. If you want to turn off Voice Assistant, you're going to click on
Assistant and list 5 items.
the Voice Assistant menu and then double tap to turn it off. For my purposes, I'm going to show you how to go to the tutorial. So, now that you have screen reader on, whenever you want to select an option, it will read it out loud. So, select an option by pressing on it once. I'm going to press on the tutorial option once.
Tutorial. Have to activate.
Screen reader will tell me out loud what my selection is, and then if I want to confirm it and go to that option, I'm going to double tap anywhere on my screen.
Tutorial. Items 1 to 7 of 7.
Awesome. Now you know how to press on something and get to that selection by double tapping on it. Go through this tutorial by pressing on the one option.
Using this tutorial, enlist 7 items. Have to activate.
And then double tapping on this selection to go through the tutorial. For my purposes in this video, I'm going to exit the tutorial. To exit the tutorial, you're going to press on the upper left arrow on your screen and then double tap it to confirm that selection.
Gate up button, not enlist. Have to activate, double tap and hold to long press. Reader.
Awesome. Good job, everybody. To turn off Voice Assistant, you're going to click on the Voice Assistant option.
Assistant, enlist 5 items. Have to activate.
And then double tap on this selection to confirm that you want to turn Voice Assistant off.
Turn off Voice Assistant.
A pop-up will appear. If you want to turn off Voice Assistant, click on the Voice Assistant option. If you want to turn off Voice Assistant, click on the Turn Off option and then double tap anywhere on your screen to confirm it.
Button, Voice Assistant off.
Awesome, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech2Connect website.